If you are a beginner and want to calculate mean in SPSS, this video is perfect for you. I will show you two of the easiest methods step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to RP Insights where we make data simple and useful for everyone. Before we start, let me get into my data set. So here I have the sample data set. Make sure that the variable for which we are going to calculate the mean should be in scale uh, measure. To get that, we will go to the variable view and we will see here that which measure our variable is. Right now is in scale, which should be in scale because only scale variables are allowed to get the mean. After this, I will show you the first method. For this, we will go to analyze tab, then descriptive statistics, and then we will go to descriptives. Here we have got our all the four variables which are in scale. I want to calculate the mean for this second variable. So either I will just drag and drop this into the variable section, or I will just click on it and through this arrow I will drag that variable to this variable section. After this I will go to options. Here it is checked in the mean, which it should be. Apart from mean, we can also take some standard deviation and whatever the things which is showing here, we can calculate it. Right now I just want to calculate it for the mean, minimum and maximum. So I will uncheck the standard deviation and will only check in mean, minimum and maximum. Then I will do continue. After this I will click on OK. Here we have got our result. The variable which I have calculated is expense on farm machinery, and we have total 1310 records. For those records we have got the mean of rupees 2212. We have also got the minimum, which is 0, means that person has not spent any amount in expense on farm machineries, and we have got the maximum, means the highest amount which any case have spent on farm machinery is 20,000. After this, another method to calculate mean is, first of all you have to select the variable for which you want to get the mean. I have selected this variable. After selecting the variable, you will see that the variable will be highlighted by yellow color. Then I will right click onto it. After this, I will go to descriptive statistics. I will click in this. Here also we have got our mean, and apart from mean we have also got few things like mean, median, standard deviation, range, minimum and maximum. So these are the two methods from which we can calculate the mean. If you like this video, please subscribe to RP Insights for more simple SPSS tutorials. Thank you.